CLK was towed in earlier this week, and I'm investigating to see what the terrible sound is. Customer just had all this done in another shop, VRP cams, all updated hardware, and he made it right down the road first time he drove it, and it sounds terrible, won't run, sounds like it's blown up. And this side, everything looks beautiful, brand new cams, brand new everything. And I took this side apart, and yeesh, this is a first for me. I've never seen these come apart. This is exactly why we torque all these to spec every single time. You do not want those backing out. And just look at how out of time that cam is. That's a bad time. So I really hope a piston didn't hit a valve. I'm about to take these plugs out and borescope it and see exactly how bad this is going to be.